like to make a screen tutorial. You want to capture your screen and your voice. This is what you will do on your Mac. You'll open QuickTime, click File at the top, and choose New Screen Recording. When you do that, you'll have buttons that show up at the bottom of your screen, and in my case I've set it to have a 5-second delay. That's all in your preferences and what you choose to set. Then you click one time on the center of your screen and that activates your camera, and in my case it activates my countdown. So it counts down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give it another second, because if you start talking right away it tends to chop off the front of your voice. So then you can start talking and pointing to things on your screen, giving your directions, and then at the very end, up at the very top, is a black circle with a white square inside that. When you finish speaking, you click on that and it stops your recording. At that point, your video will pop to the front of your screen. You'll play it back, make sure it's correct, and then go to File and Save, and give it a name, and then it saves to your desktop.